Welcome back to Safe and Sound. In this series, we're talking about all the significant reforms that are happening in the early childhood and care sector. So last year, the Victorian Parliament introduced laws restricting the use of personal devices in ELCs. What do these laws entail, and how can staff make sure that they're contactable by family in emergencies?
So the key takeaway of the reforms is that the rule of thumb is that personal devices should not be used when working directly with children. So personal devices can be used on breaks and when you're away from the vicinity of children, but not when you're within the area of work. However, the reforms do embed the ability for a service provider to approve staff use of their personal device for particular reasons, such as medical or health reasons. Additionally, there are limited circumstances, such as in an emergency, where a staff member can use their personal device without authorization. So the reforms do anticipate that there are some circumstances where the use of a personal device will be urgent and important. It's important that ELCs are really clear on what the limited exceptions are, and that they capture this in their policies and also provide robust training to their staff so that staff are also clear on what needs to be done. An ELC should also have clear procedures for recording uses of personal devices, whether those are authorised or occur in one of the limited exceptions where it didn't need to be authorised, or whether it's contravention.